everyone, and welcome back to a new episode. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I want to show you a zombie look, a Halloween makeup. I don't even know how it's called. Really easy, everyone can do this. Probably it's not the best look of me, but it looks really realistic. So I use a tissue and I cut open, I put some tape in here and some fake blood. This is the only new things I used. I used some eyelash glue to stack the tissue on, and yeah, if you want to see how I create this Halloween makeup, just keep watching. Best look of me, but like I said, I cannot see you only with one eye just because this is under the tissue, so I cannot see well. I did struggle to do my makeup. I would recommend to you, if you want to try this look, try to do your makeup first and after put the tissue on, because you cannot really see. Like, I did struggle to do my eyeliner, lashes on, but anyway, let's move on. And this outfit, I got this from, I think, a charity shop. Is like an all-in-one piece with zip at the back. I left my hair down, and this is how it looks on the side. As you can see, it's not perfect, but because I had fake blood is from Superdrug, same as my Makeup Revolution Paint Face palette. And that's it really. Like, I really love this look. I think it's really easy, such a cool zombie look. Let me know what do you think about this look. I think it's really cool, really realistic, and like I said, I cannot really see well. That's the only issue. Therefore I want to do a realistic look. So yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's video. I really appreciate it if you made it to the end of this video. Tag me in if you try to recreate this look. I think it's really unique. You don't need to wear what I do. You can wear like a black outfit and put some fake blood on you and you're good to go. Like I always say, thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's video. Really appreciate it if you made it to the end of this video, and until next time, I will send you all my love. Lots of kisses.